Presets is motion graphic that is already created and prepared for us so we can just use it. There is a limit, however, to how interesting presets Premiere have installed by default. But online you can find a lot of different presets. For example, we have a guy here called Todd Blankenship who created 21 free motion graphics that you can download. Let's have a look at it and see. So this package has different types of presets, title graphics, quotes, and other things, transitions, and so on. And what you do is you download the file, then you have a zip file in your download panel. You double click the zip file to unzip it, and then you have a mock.rt file. To be able to import that file into Premiere Pro, you go to the Browse panel in the Essential Graphics panel to the right here, and then you click the little square with the plus sign at the bottom. Once you click that, you can see that you can now upload a motion graphic template, in other words, a .mock.rt file. And you just say open, and then it's ready for use over here in the Essential Panel file. And as you can see, I already installed his graphics, and I can drag one of the titles over and see it coming up here. And I can, again, like with other presets in Premiere, I can go in and I can change the title, I can change the color, I can change the length of my graphic. I can decide whether I want to have the lines on or off, and I can scale it up and down, and I can move it around as I want to. Maybe I want it more like a little logo sort of text up above. And now you can see how it's animating in. And animating out. So that was how to install already made presets into the Essential Graphics panel.